Today, we're delving into a significant development in international trade that could have far-reaching implications. As of February 1st, 2025, President Donald Trump plans to impose a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico.
It's time for the United States to return to the system that made us richer and more powerful than ever before. Do you know, the United States in 1870 to 1913, all tariffs, and that was the richest period in the history of the United States, relatively speaking. In other words, relatively. As I said in my speech last week, instead of taxing our citizens to enrich foreign nations, we should be tariffing and taxing foreign nations to enrich our citizens. Does that make sense, right?
This move is part of his America First trade policy, aiming to address issues like illegal immigration and the opioid crisis. The proposed 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico are set to take effect imminently. These tariffs are intended to pressure these nations into taking stronger measures against illegal immigration and drug trafficking into the U.S. United States. The tariffs could lead to increased costs for imported goods, particularly in industries like automotive manufacturing that rely on cross-border supply chains. This may result in higher prices for consumers and potential disruptions in the supply chain. Canada and Mexico. Both countries are significant trading partners with the U.S., and the tariffs could have substantial economic implications. Canada, for instance, is a major supplier of crude oil to the U.S., and the tariffs could disrupt this relationship, potentially leading to higher gasoline prices in the U.S. Canada supplies a significant portion of the U.S.'s crude oil imports. The imposition of tariffs could disrupt this supply, leading to increased costs for U.S. refineries and higher prices at the pump for consumers. Inflation and consumer prices. The tariffs are expected to increase the cost of imported goods, contributing to higher inflation. Consumers may see price hikes in various products, from groceries to electronics, as businesses pass on the increased costs. Canada and Mexico have expressed concerns over the impending tariffs. Canadian officials have indicated that any retaliatory measures will be fair and not disproportionately target any specific region. Mexico's leadership has also voiced apprehension, emphasizing the potential economic disruption these tariffs could cause. The imposition of these tariffs marks a significant shift in U.S. trade policy and could have widespread implications for the economies of the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. As the situation unfolds, it's crucial to stay informed about these developments and understand how they might affect various sectors and consumers. How do you think these tariffs will impact the global economy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on international trade and economic policies. Thank you.